Hey everyone, welcome back to Growing Mindset, where we break down everything you need to know about building wealth and living financially free. Today we're diving deep into a topic that everyone wants to crack: the secrets of how the 1% manage their money. If you've ever wondered how the wealthiest people in the world seem to make their money work for them, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck, you're in the right place. This isn't just another generic list of tips. This is a masterclass on how to actually manage your money like the ultra-wealthy. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical, actionable strategies that you can implement immediately, no matter where you're starting from. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Section 1. The mindset of the 1%. Before we get into the specific strategies, let's talk about the mindset that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Managing money like the 1% isn't just about tactics. It's about how you think about money. Key characteristics of the wealthy mindset. Money as a tool. The wealthy see money as a tool to achieve freedom, not just something to spend. Delayed gratification. They prioritize long-term gains over short-term pleasures. Continuous learning. The 1% are always learning, reading books, taking courses, and seeking mentors. Example: think of money like planting a tree. The wealthy don't just eat the fruit, they plant seeds to grow more trees. Actionable tip: start shifting your mindset today. Write down one long-term financial goal and remind yourself of it daily. Section 2. The rule of pay yourself first. One of the first principles of managing money like the 1% is paying yourself first. This means setting aside money for savings and investments before you spend on anything else. How it works: as soon as you get paid, transfer a portion, at least 20%, into savings or investments. Automate this process to make it effortless. Why it works: ensures you're prioritizing your financial future, helps you avoid the trap of spending first and saving what's left, which is often nothing. Actionable tip: set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account or investment account. Section 3. Mastering budgeting like the wealthy. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about understanding where your money goes and ensuring it aligns with your goals. How the wealthy budget. Track every dollar. They know exactly where their money is going. Focus on ROI. They spend on things that offer a return on investment, like education or starting a business. Minimize lifestyle inflation. Even as their income grows, they keep their spending in check. Example: instead of spending a bonus on a new car, a wealthy person might invest it into the stock market or real estate. Actionable tip: use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your expenses and identify areas to cut back. Section 4. The power of investing. The 1% understand that saving alone won't make you wealthy. You need to invest your money so it can grow over time. Where they invest: stock market, index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Real estate, rental properties, REITs, or flipping houses. Businesses, starting their own ventures or investing in others. Example of growth: if you invest $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund with an average return of 8%, it could grow to over $46,000 in 20 years. Actionable tip: start with as little as $100 using apps like Robinhood, Weibull, or Acorns. Section 5. Avoiding debt traps. Debt can be a tool, but it can also be a trap. The wealthy know how to use debt wisely. Good debt versus bad debt. Good debt: borrowing to invest, like taking a mortgage for a rental property. Bad debt: high-interest consumer debt like credit cards. Actionable tip: pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Use the snowball or avalanche method to eliminate debt. Section 6. Building multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. The 1% create multiple income streams to ensure financial stability. Examples of income streams: earned income, your salary or wages; passive income, dividends, rental income, or royalties; business income, profits from side hustles or full-time ventures. Start with one side hustle, like freelancing, selling products online, or affiliate marketing, and grow from there. Section 7. Tax optimization. The wealthy don't just earn money, they know how to keep it by optimizing their taxes. How they do it: tax-advantaged accounts, maxing out contributions to 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. Deductions and credits. Claiming every deduction and credit they qualify for. more. Working with professionals, hiring accountants or financial advisors to help. Actionable tips. Start learning about tax deductions and credits you can use, or consult a tax professional. Section 8. Building an emergency fund. The 1% prepare for the unexpected by maintaining a robust emergency fund. How much to save? At least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why it's crucial. Protects you from financial disaster in case of job loss or emergencies. Actionable tip. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account dedicated to emergencies. Take control, like the 1%. Managing your money like the 1% isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. By adopting these principles, shifting your mindset, investing wisely, avoiding debt traps, and building multiple income streams, you can set yourself up for financial success and freedom. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to a wealthier tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,